So yeah, what's going on, you guys? I haven't really posted nothing for the week about hats, but and I was gonna do the video about top 10 hats, but we'll get into that later. But I actually brought another Detroit Tigers like a couple weeks ago. So now this shit just came in. I let it open the box, so I'm being too greedy, but we're gonna get into it. See, the box already opened up, so I already opened the box up. Let's just open and see what it is. So yeah, this is actually the so this is it actually right here. My first ever. Well, I ain't gonna say the first, cause I already got the 2001. This is actually the Swinging Tiger, and it look good. And it's actually freaking brand new. So you got the side patch, the Tiger Stadium, Michigan Turnbull from 1912 to 1999. Before this one, I had on the Detroit Tiger 2000 came. So this is, I say this is good. You got the all grayish with pink on it, and and I got the pink. You know what I'm saying? And this is actually the last one. This is actually the last one. And the craziest funny thing is, I got this shit out of fucking eBay, bro. Like this, like my fucking third or fourth time got this shit out of eBay. But hey, I think this is really it for me. This shit really is it for me. And I'm gonna show you something else too. So there, as you can see, I had this on today. I had the 2000s one right here. Let me show you the 2000s one. Make sure you can get confused. I had a 2000 Detroit Tigers hat. Right after they changed this one, I had this on me today. So yeah. Well, all you guys, this is the last one that I'm gonna buy out of hats. Cause I don't know how the hell hat I got. I don't know how the fuck I got a whole lot of hats. Excuse my French. So yeah, this is all mine's Detroit Tigers, Tiger Stadium. Already, you feel me? Peace out.